Green thumbs unite. Your input is needed. I'm thrilled to bring you fresh and exciting content to boost your gardening skills, no matter where or how you garden. But today, I need your help. I've got some fantastic ideas for upcoming videos, and I want you to decide what we cover next. Here are the topics I've lined up for you to choose from. DIY hydroponic systems for beginners, vertical gardening with growing towers, growing microgreens indoors, container gardening for high-yield vegetables, building and using raised beds on a budget, efficient watering systems for small gardens, living in a van, compact solutions for growing your own food, selecting and growing nutrient-rich vegetables. Now, it's your turn. Let me know in the comments which topic excites you the most. Your input will shape the next video and ensure we're covering what you want to see. Thanks for being part of this gardening journey with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and vote for your favorite idea. See you in the next video.